You ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind? Work from anywhere? Become a VA. Imagine having the freedom to choose your own hours, work from the comfort of your home, or even while traveling the world. That's the life of a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are like the Swiss Army knives of the online world. They are versatile, adaptable, and can handle a wide range of tasks. From administrative duties to creative projects, VAs are equipped to manage it all. They handle tasks, keep things organized, and make entrepreneurs' lives easier. Imagine being the go-to person for a busy entrepreneur, helping them streamline their operations and focus on growing their business. Think email management, social media scheduling, customer support, and a whole lot more. VAs can take on a variety of roles, from managing inboxes to creating content calendars, ensuring that everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. It's all about providing value from your computer, freeing up clients to focus on what they do best. By taking on these essential tasks, VAs allow their clients to concentrate on their core business activities, leading to greater productivity and success. The cool thing, VAs can specialize. Whether it's in a particular industry or a specific set of skills, VAs can carve out a niche that aligns with their interests and expertise. Love social media? Be a social media VA. You can help businesses grow their online presence, engage with their audience, and create compelling content that drives results. Great with numbers? Become a bookkeeping VA. The possibilities endless. From managing financial records to preparing reports, bookkeeping VAs play a crucial role in keeping businesses financially healthy. It's all about finding your niche and crushing it. By focusing on what you do best, you can build a successful VA career that offers both flexibility and fulfillment. So are you ready to take the leap and become a virtual assistant? Let's talk perks. Imagine a life where you call the shots. The VA life is all about freedom and flexibility. Set your own hours. No more rigid 9-to-5 schedules. Work from your couch, a coffee shop, or a beach in Bali. You're the boss. Choose your environment and make it your own. This means you control your income too. The harder you work, the more you can earn. Hustle hard, land more clients, and watch your earning potential skyrocket. Your success is in your hands. No more office drama, no more soul-crushing commutes. Say goodbye to the daily grind. You answer to yourself and your clients, your time, your rules. Plus, you're constantly learning new skills and expanding your network. Every project is a new opportunity to grow. It's about building a business that works for you, not the other way around. Create a lifestyle that aligns with your personal and professional goals. Enjoy more time for hobbies, family, and the things you love. Balance work and life on your terms. Travel the world while working. Experience new cultures and places without sacrificing your career. Celebrate your milestones and achievements. Every success is a step towards your dream life. Embrace the freedom to live a balanced, fulfilling life. The VA life is more than a job, it's a lifestyle. Okay, let's get real. Being a virtual assistant or VA is a rewarding career, but it's not without its challenges. It's a role that demands a lot from you, but the rewards can be equally fulfilling. Being a VA isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There will be days when the workload feels overwhelming and the pressure is high, but it's during these times that your true potential shines through. It takes hustle, dedication, and a killer work ethic. You need to be willing to put in the hours, sometimes late into the night, to meet deadlines and exceed expectations. You need to be organized, reliable, and a master of time management. Keeping track of multiple tasks and deadlines is crucial. A well-organized desk and a detailed planner can be your best friends. Clients rely on you to get things done. They trust you with important tasks and expect you to deliver quality work consistently. Building and maintaining this trust is essential for long-term success. Communication is key. Respond promptly, be clear, and over-communicate. Whether it's through emails, phone calls, or video meetings, effective communication ensures that everyone is on the same page. And don't be afraid to ask questions. If you're unsure about something, it's always better to seek clarification than to make assumptions. This shows your commitment to getting things right. Clients would rather you clarify than mess something up. They appreciate your diligence and attention to detail, which ultimately leads to better outcomes for everyone involved. Technical skills are important too. Think word processing, spreadsheet mastery, social media know-how, and maybe even some basic design skills. These skills can set you apart from the competition, and maybe even some basic design skills. Being able to create visually appealing content can be a huge asset, especially in today's digital age. The more you know, the more valuable you become. Continuously learning and improving your skills will not only make you a better VA, but also open up new opportunities for growth and advancement in your career. Section 4. Client hunting. Finding your people. Ready to find your dream clients? First, define your niche. What are you passionate about? What services do you excel at? Once you know your zone, it's time to market yourself. Freelance platforms are your friends. Upwork, Fiverr, Guru. They're teeming with potential clients. Craft a killer profile, highlight your skills, and start pitching. Networking is huge. Join Facebook groups, attend online events, connect with other VAs. You never know where your next client will come from. Section 5. Tech Toolkit. Your VA power-ups. Time to geek out on some tools. As a VA, your tech is your lifeline. First up, project management software. Think Asana, Trello, Monday.com. These platforms keep you organized and on top of deadlines. Communication is crucial. Slack, Zoom, Google Meet. These are your best friends for staying connected with clients. And don't forget about social media management tools. Buffer, Hootsuite, Later. These platforms help you schedule posts, track analytics, and save time. Section 6. Pricing strategies, knowing your worth. Here's the big question: how much to charge? First, research what other VAs in your niche are charging. Consider your experience level, skills, and the value you bring to the table. You can charge hourly or offer package deals. Experiment to see what works best for you. And don't be afraid to raise your rates as you gain experience and expertise. Remember, you're running a business. Price yourself accordingly. Section 7. Game on, your VA journey begins. So, you ready to jump into the world of virtual assisting? Good, it's time to take action. Define your niche, polish your skills, and start building your online presence. The VA world is booming, and there's never been a better time to join the party. Remember, success won't happen overnight. It takes hustle, dedication, and a whole lot of heart. But trust me, the freedom, flexibility, and earning potential are worth it. Now go out there and crush it.